channel. Today I'm going to be sharing all of the things that I made in August. I only made a couple things this month. We just got back from a trip to Hawaii and we were gone for a little over a week, so it cut my sewing time a little bit short. It was an amazing trip. But I'm super looking forward to getting into some fall sewing projects. So I want to wrap up the summer and I want to share all the things that I made this month. So let's get into it. Up first, it's actually a project for my husband. He has been asking me to make him something for a while now, and I made a pair of shorts. These are the Jedediah shorts pants pattern from Thread Theory, and it's a great pattern. I sewed these up pretty quick. They have the slant pockets that I'd never done before. The fit is great. We adjusted the length a little bit and I opted for like an under hem instead of the cuffed hem. I really enjoyed sewing them. He really likes them. I already have plans to make these again in a charcoal color. Maybe even a pair of pants for him that he can wear to work. They're great. Really, really recommend. And I made these in a khaki bottom weight fabric that I bought locally. And I actually had just enough fabric left, so I made a pair of my tried and true Lander shorts. I love this pattern. I love the big pockets. I love the big front like exposed pockets. I think they're really cool. I ended up lining mine with pink and white seersucker fabric. I always make my Lander shorts with the zipper extension. You can buy that for a couple of dollars on their website and just print out the PDF, the zipper extension pattern. And yeah, I love these. And so now we have matching shorts, which is adorable. Okay, up next, I already shared the sew along for these, but this is the Linden sweatshirt t-shirt pattern from Greenland Studio. I have this in this olive green color. I also have it in a navy knit, and I have it in a long sleeve. I made these two t-shirts this month. I love this t-shirt shape. Super comfortable. I have mine a little bit more cropped so I can tuck it into all of my high-waisted pants. I think it's really flattering, the crop shape on me at least, and it's really comfortable. Highly recommend. Last sewing project is these little joggers that I made for my daughter Libby. I have this in gray and navy, and they're really cute. This is from Oh Me Oh My Patterns, who I found on Etsy. Super quick sewing project. I actually made a sew along for these too that I will link right here. And yeah, these are great to sew in bulk. If you just cut out all the fabric at once, you can zip through it pretty quick. That's one of the good things about sewing kids' clothes. It takes no time and not much fabric. And last but not least, not a sewing project, but my first sweater. This is the Rift tee, and I really enjoyed knitting it. It took a heck of a long time, pretty much a month. I love the detail on the bottom. It's a split hem, and it's a little bit longer in the back, and mine has a V-neck, and it's a short sleeve, so I'm excited to layer this over some long sleeve t-shirts going into the fall and winter, and I want to try to maybe make this again in a long sleeve at some point, but I'm really excited. One of my goals for 2019 was to knit my first sweater, so I'm really happy to knock this out pretty early on in the year. And if you're a beginner knitter like I am, I highly recommend this pattern, and I recommend finding a local knitting shop where you can go in person and ask questions. That was so crucial for me. I became friends with the owner of a local shop, and I'd go in and she'd walk me through the steps. And that was a game changer because I don't know if I would have been able to finish otherwise. So I recommend that. I will be back soon with another sew along video, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you had a wonderful August and made a bunch of really cool things for your wardrobe.